If you've ever used a 10 needle, you know that this is embroidery heaven. This machine makes clothing so easy to embroider. Sweaters, shirt fronts, jacket backs, socks, sleeves down the sleeve without even having to open that sleeve up. But the first thing that we need to know is how to thread this machine. The beautiful thing about this machine is you don't have to change your thread as often. Let me show you how to thread this. First thing you want to do is put your spool on, decide which position you want it in. And then we're going to start by threading through the first hole, through the second. Make sure that you've moved your latch all the way over. That opens the little eyelet here for you. Then you go down through this one, through one more over here. Then you put it down underneath your tension guide. You follow your arrows going down and around, making sure that that's flossed into the tension. Around this pin, around that one, down, up, through your take up, and one final hole before we actually thread the needle. We want to make sure that we're lined up in the right area for the right needle. We have one needle threader that does all 10 of them. So we want to go over here and we line up. We hit number 10 because that's the one that's the leftmost needle. So then they do have a little tool to help hold your thread and push it back. I prefer tweezers, but they're both there. So that you want to take a hold of it and put it back, draft that behind that little hook. We're going to hit the button to bring forward. We're going to wrap that down around the wiper, catching it in there. And you bring it up and down. There's a cutter there. And you push your button again. And it's threaded. And we now are ready to embroider. If you have any other questions, please feel free to give us a call or contact us here at Nebraska Quilt Company.